pattern in that sifted sand, the molder is free to then really put as much sand as possible inside of there without needing to break it apart. Because the next step is you're going to be compacting. So now that the second layer has been added, what we need to do is side of half of the flask. So the flask is going to be 2 layers. In order for that follower to sit nicely and flat, you're going to scrape off any sand that is compacted above your line, and you're going to do that with a little strike ball. Take off the top follow board, and now you're going to see. Again, this is the first time we've ever seen that. You're now seeing the back of your pattern.
Yeah, I'm just going to...
Remember, the detail side is embedded in the sand. You want to cast that detail in the metal. In Hopewell Furnace, again, they are creating iron. The hum that you're hearing is oxygen going into the miniature, and that is where you're using aluminum. Aluminum requires about half the temperature iron. Mary's just cleaning up the pattern very minimally. That this is called dressing. Dressing enables the molder to clear out the entire perimeter of your pattern, and it also helps in the longer run when you have to take the pattern out. It just kind of gives you some area to embed your tool to extract. A gate is part of the second level that is going to allow the molder to more easily pour the iron or aluminum into the flask to cast the product. Ultimately, the final product is going to look like this. So if you were to pour that iron or aluminum into that flask, the most hot, dusty room, imagine you're on your 10th mold. It is 95 degrees in this. It is July. There you go. The heat of that furnace is roaring. You feel your muscles aching, that perspiration coming off, and that removal of the pattern is one of the last lines of defense of what's working against you to not make the perfect mold. Because this is our last pour of the day, what I'm putting out, you're going to see the 2 methods of casting at Hopewell Furnace. You're going to see product casting, and then this is our equivalent of the pig iron. So these are loaded.
Yeah, that wasn't that bad. It's going to be hot.
What? Probably a long time.
Probably from an excavator or something. Or a saw marks or something. I don't know. Mongolia is a country, right?
I don't know.
Speaking of that, they should play King of the Hill up there.
King of the Hill? That would be disastrous.
For whoever loses.
Whoever's gonna try to come for me, I'm just gonna push blocks down on them. See, this is the problem with being a videographer. You have to set up your camera to film you and then go get it, and then climb back up to get the other shots. Should I walk the whole way across? This is a sketch, bro.
Yeah. As long as it doesn't topple over.
It might not.
It might not.
But there's a chance it won't.